Hello friends. So today one more new questions. The question says the interviewer will give the input. They will give the any input. Suppose here I have taken Python. Okay. They can take any name, any string, and they will tell convert the string. Uh, convert the character. So they will tell convert the one character from them. One character means they will choose any character from the inputs, and they will tell put as a capital of that character. Suppose here capital H. Okay, so here capital H is there. Sorry, small h is there. So instead of a small h, you put any character. So I have put the K or R anything. So in output I have put the K, but in program just now I changed, so put the R. So means replace the character, any character. So seeing like that, write a program to replace a character from a given string. How it will happen? So I will show you. Okay, so first I will run and check it's working or not. Yeah, it's working. So you can see that here R is taken the place of G. Okay, so I have given this input as a program and we'll get the capital R here. Okay, uh, okay, I will put the debugger here and we'll debug it and we'll see how it's happening. So here one more thing, I have used the replace function. Okay, but interviewer they don't want the replace, but first time we can check with replace. Suppose anyone is fresher giving the interview, first time giving the interview or second time giving the interview within 1 year, uh, a student or any employee, then they can use the replace, they will accept sometime, but most of the time they will tell to use the other method. So okay, so for now here use replace method. Another method also I have made down here. So here I have used for loop. Okay, so how it's happening I will show you. So okay, uh, I will debug and show you how it is happening. Just a second, uncommented it. Okay, I put a two debugger. Now we'll run it and we'll check how it's coming. Okay, so program is this. I will start. See, it's S means program, data string. Data string came into S. Okay, now it's take as program and G, searching G and replacing. Function function it works internally. Now we can't see the functionality. Okay, so inside it is replacing G as a R. Okay, so it's replaced and return. So we can see here it's replaced and return, but we did not saw how it's returned and how it replaced. Okay, so in R checking all the characters. Okay, checking all the character wherever it will get, it will replace that item and it will print. So it's get in one time, so it is changed into R and it is printing. Okay, so it is printing. Now it's came second. Okay, so this one I have taken that variable. Once it is updated with capital letter, then it will update in that variable, string variable. Okay, that's why I've taken upd update str string, update string, empty string I have taken. Okay, so okay, see program. Now it's coming at character at p equal to G. No, it's not G. Okay, it's literal false. Similarly, it will check all the characters. If it is correct, then it will replace with R. Otherwise, it's uh, printing the same item whatever is present at the character at. Okay, so okay, see R O G. G is equal to G. Now what we'll do, we put replace G plus equal to R. Okay, G plus equal to R. See R and update. Okay, now again it's come R is G, so no, then what it is, same character it will place here, no need to modify. Okay, so it will, loop will be execute till the end and it will give the answer. Okay, see, both program same answer. Why two answers here? Because I have put it one print up here, and first second method and one is the first method. So we can go through the any one, no problem, but mostly you try with this one, second one. This will be acceptable for the interview purpose. Okay, so thank you so much, thank you for watching.